What's going on, y'all? You're back for another one. What do we have for the Cutlass? A supercharger? Nope. A transmission.
I be looking good. I be gripping brain, nigga. I be gripping wood. Okay. Hey, my seven. I'm gripping in my seven. Okay. I'm flossing in my seven. I'm riding in my seven.
What's going on, y'all? It's your boy LSHRY254, man, and you tune in for another one, man. I appreciate y'all watching the video, sharing these videos, tagging these videos, telling your friends about these videos, man. Let's keep these videos, these views going, the subscribers coming, growing, all that. So basically, I'm gonna show you what we got for the Cutlass. Well, let me tell you where we got, how we got to this point. So as y'all know, last year we built the Cutlass. Well, we got the Cutlass from my brother. Let's start at the very beginning. We got the Cutlass from my brother. The Cutlass was a roller, pretty much. Cutlass was a roller, no engine, no trans, no nothing. So we procured a engine from Outcast Projects. Shout out to Outcast Projects. Y'all go check out his channel, man. I'm gonna put the link in the description box below. From there, with that engine, we pretty much the bottom end, we didn't rip it into it. We put new oil pump, new timing chain, new sprockets. What else we do? New oil pump. Yeah, I already said that. So yeah, pretty much all that right there in the front. Oil pump, pickup gasket, all that shit. We then proceeded to change out the valve springs on the heads. We put a sloppy stage 2 cam in there. New lifters, new lifter trays. Cleaned up the push rods, put the push rods back in. New seals and everything. And we got the car first start 420, first engine I'd have never built. You know what I'm saying? So for me to get an engine, you know, with just a bottom end, put the top end together, and then put it in the car, boom, first time ever. No mechanical experience, none of that. Just YouTube and the help of my subscribers. So today, where we are is the engine is in the car, the engine is running. The engine does need to be tuned, but we're gonna get into that at a later date. Because at the current time, we're still familiarizing ourselves with the HP Tuner software, as well as how to tune vehicles. You know what I'm saying? It's something new to us, just like this LS swap stuff was at one time. But you know, give me about 2 or 3 weeks, maybe a month and a half, 2 months, and then I'll get it down, and then we'll come out swinging, and we'll get it good to go. I got 2 good candidates to practice on. I got the C10 over there, no cam, just mass airflow sensor. Then I got the Caprice, which is a speed density setup with no math. So I got 2 different ones, and you know, that's a whole nother video. However, what we do not have in the Cutlass is a transmission. Now, you do know that I originally planned to go with the 480 transmission, which I have not 1, but 2 of. I still plan on doing one of those. They do need to be rebuilt. But y'all said Cutlass by Christmas. Y'all said you right there, you said Cutlass by Christmas. So that's what I'm finna make sure that I try to get y'all. So that brings us to where our current update is, the transmission that is here on the ground. So if you look here, we have a short tail 350 transmission. This transmission, with the help, this transmission will bolt directly to the back of that 6.0. How do I know this? Because I have a 350 transmission that is in that C10. Running, driving. I've been down this road before. No worries. But yeah, as you can see, this transmission has a shift kit in it. this will be our this will be our temporary fix. You know what I mean? Temporary fix until we get to where we want to be. You know what I'm saying? That'll get the Cutlass in the vehicle, running, driving Cutlass by Christmas. This right here is gonna make Cutlass by Christmas possible. You know what I'm saying? The transmission right here I just picked up. So, yeah. So 350 trim behind that. Like I said, I mean there are guys who build, you know, I know it's gonna be somebody gonna be like, oh man, that ain't nothing but a 350. It ain't gonna hold the 6.0. Wrong. There are people who have like crazy horsepower on turbo 400s. You know what I'm saying? Like turbo 300s and 400s are like so much more reliable. They are not as good on gas because they are only a 3-speed, but man, let me tell you, they are some dependable, hard-working transmissions, damn near bulletproof. And with the shift kit in there and everything, like it should be even more. It is, like I said, just a temporary fix for our drivetrain issue, because I personally want to build this transmission. You know what I'm saying? I'm always saying, identify your weaknesses, making your strengths, productivity over procrastination, got it, all that. I can't be preaching that shit if I'm not living by that shit, right? So, I'm still gonna rebuild a transmission. To get this done by Christmas, then I need a little help. And the help is coming from the 350 transmission. Also, like I said, I didn't want to have it to where like I was trying to rush and get it done. Like I want to take my time, make sure it's done right and all of that, so we're good to go. So that way, when I do go to build a transmission, no one vehicle is just waiting on it. You know what I'm saying? Everything is moving. You know what I'm saying? By that time, everything should be moving under its own power. You know what I'm saying? Cutlass C10 and Caprice and C10 are already running. Cutlass is the last one. So yeah, man, this is the last piece of the puzzle. 350 trans. If any of you guys out there in YouTube world land, tag your friend if they have ran a 350 and a Cutlass. Let me know about the drive shaft. I do have a couple options. Yeah, I think I got like 2 different options. I got 2 different options for the drive shaft. I think the one that was originally behind the 200 R4, which should bolt up if it's about the same length, height, whatever. I would think that we would be good, but I could be wrong, and only time will tell. I'm really just taking it one step at a time, but like I told y'all in the other videos, man, I'm focused on the Cutlass now. Trying to get this thing together. Hashtag Cutlass for Christmas. Trying to make it happen. So hashtag Cutlass for Christmas. Put it in the comments. Spread it around the world. Cutlass for Christmas. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, man, any of you guys that have done this 350 in a Cutlass, or if you know how this is going to fit, like you already know, like, okay, yeah, you're gonna need a different drive shaft, or the drive shaft you have should be fine, or whatever. Let me know. Get down in the comments, let me know. Tag your friends that may have the same setup, man. Let them know, hey, LS Rod is doing the 350 and the Cutlass. Let them know, hey, you know, what did you run? You know, he's asking for some advice, etc., man. So I'm excited. You know what I'm saying? I had to calm myself down there for a minute. Woo. Alright, I'm good. So, till next time, y'all. Like I said, hashtag Cutlass for Christmas. That's the new hashtag. You know what I mean? We still 20K in 2020. Don't forget about that. You know, it's also like hashtag free to tarp. You know what I'm saying? Hashtag Grant 7 painting coatings. Hashtag oh my clear. Hashtag oh my god. Not G-O-D, G-A-W-D. Oh my God. Know what I'm saying? Hashtag LSCR free ship on LS6 Innovations. We just making major moves, man, trying to make things happen this year. So appreciate all your support. Make sure you tune in for the next video, and hopefully we'll have some answers. Hopefully some people chime in on this video, and I should be able to come back and then give somebody a shout out. Someone who wants a shout out, give me some information I can use, and I'm shouting you out in the next video. Bit. So remember, identify your weaknesses, make it your strength. Life is all about choice to choose wisely and productivity or procrastination. And remember, the hustle don't stop, the grind don't stop. Go on.